Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the fastest way to make your first $10,000 online. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something that is going to affect the amount of sales you make as an affiliate, the amount of commissions that you make as an affiliate, and something that helps a lot to improve your existing campaigns or promotion campaigns, everything you have as an affiliate too. So let's talk about it. So actually, let me take a step back to talk about something important. So I made a video a couple of days ago about buyer intent, basically how important it is to set your campaigns in a way that people know that they're going to have to pay for something at the end, so this way you filter out people who are not ready to buy anything, people who are looking for free information. So that's really important, right? So another thing that affects the amount of sales you make is having the ability to get to impact someone multiple times. Okay, so multi-touch point campaign. So this is really important. And before I move forward, if you're finding it for the first time, make sure to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. All right, so multiple touch points is really important in a campaign. This is something that I do all the time, and it's one of the most important things if you want to make money as an affiliate and if you want to keep making money. All right, so what is multiple touch points? A multi-touch point campaign. Basically, a multi-touch point campaign, it means that you have the ability to show your promotion campaigns or sales page or whatever multiple times to the same person. Okay, that affects people in a very, very good way, and it just starts to it makes it easier for people to trust your content and eventually buy the affiliate product that you're promoting as an affiliate. That's very important. So let me give you a simple thing. So let's simple strategy when it comes to multi-touch point campaigns. So let's say you visit a website. This is something I'm sure you've seen all the time. You visit a website, or you watch a video or something like that on YouTube, or you watch a video on Facebook, and what happens after that, when you visit around, like when you go to another website, you see advertising, the advertising for the same company all the time. They're kind of following you all over the place. That's called retargeting, and one of the reasons that people use retargeting is to establish that multi-touch point campaign, meaning that they want to follow you, so they have more chance to appeal to you, because you might be a potential buyer or a potential customer. So that's really important. Now, setting a multi-touch point campaign in affiliate marketing is a little bit more complicated. You have the like usual ways, which are retargeting, advertising, and all that stuff. But there's one thing that you can do to just take everything to the next level, and that is having multiple networks of promotion. So let me show you something. So let's say you want to promote a product, right? Yeah, one of the best ways that you can promote a product is to have a YouTube channel. So let's say this is your YouTube channel, okay? And let's say your YouTube channel is about weight loss. Cool, right? One thing, if you want to be smart about this, something you can do is, instead of just having a YouTube channel and just having a couple of videos on your YouTube channel, what you can do is you can build a website too. Let's say your YouTube channel is called ABC Weight Loss. So that's your ABC Weight, that's your YouTube channel, right? So what you can do is you can create a website exactly like this, maybe abcweightloss.com or something like that, right? And you can publish content on your website too. And instead of sending people from these videos directly to your, let's actually call this the website so you know what I'm writing there. Okay, so instead of just sending people directly to your affiliate link, what you can do is you can send them to your website. Now this might be weird to some people, because you might say, hey, I want to get sales and I want to make it as easy as possible for people to click on my affiliate link and go to the sales page. But when you do this, when you send people to a website instead of your affiliate link, you actually start building more trust. That's really, really important. So what you can do is, let's say you had a video on your YouTube channel, and this video was called 5 foods that are going to help you to lose weight if you eat them as breakfast, or 5 breakfast recipes that are going to help you to lose weight. Okay, so let's say that's the video. Now what you can do is you can write an article like that on the website, okay, and just include this video inside that article. And the cool thing is that this writing good articles on a website also helps you to get traffic from Google too. And what you do, instead of sending this traffic to an affiliate link, again, you send them back to your YouTube. Again, the whole point of this strategy is showing people that you're an established website, you have an established campaign. You're not just trying to make a sell, right? You're trying to provide value, and that's what you do when you have a network of promotion sites. You know, like you have this YouTube channel that is helping you to get traffic. You have this website, and then you send traffic from your website to your YouTube channel, or you send traffic from your YouTube channel to your website. You build a circle. And this is going to help you to establish trust. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you to my computer to show you in a couple of examples of these things so you see it in action, all right? All right, everyone, so something I want to talk about before I show you an example is choosing your website, choosing your domain. Now this is really important because this is gonna stay with you forever, okay? So it's important to choose the right domain. Now, one thing you want to do when you're trying to build a website, like a brand type website, because that's what we're doing, right? We're building a brand type website. Let's say lose weight, something like that, right? This is a brand site. This is not a website under your name or anything like that, right? So something you want to do is you want to choose a domain that is gonna be relevant forever. That's really, really important, guys. For example, you cannot choose lose weight 2019 or something like that, right? Because that's going to be only relevant for a year. Okay, so important. Remember that you want to choose something that is going to be relevant forever. That's really, really, really important, guys. Okay, so let's get started. So what I want to show you actually is this. Like, this is one of the first websites I've ever built. Now, if you actually go back here, I think the first post comes like back in 2014 or 13. Yeah, there you go. So the first the first content, like the first article I published was January 2014. So this is like 4.5 years ago. Okay. So if you take a look, like this is a part of an article I published recently. Now what I have for this website, this is a huge site. It's getting a lot of traffic and ranks really good because I've been publishing content. Now the thing is, you don't have to publish an article every single day, okay? You don't have to do that. And the thing is, something important is that you want to focus on the quality, not quantity. That's really, really important, okay? So I'm not publishing an article every single day. I don't have time for that. And I'm sure you don't have time to do that either. So what you want to do is you want to publish maybe once a week or something like that, but you want to focus on the quality. So spend an hour every single day to work on the article and work on the video. If you do that, it's going to be 7 hours in a week. That's enough time to write a masterpiece of an article, really. Even if you don't know anything about writing, that's enough time to just write a really good article once a week. So that's what you want to do. Now again, regarding back to that domain thing, you want to make sure you choose something that is going to stay forever. For example, in this case, I have a domain name that is going to be relevant forever. Again, don't choose dates like years or months or something like that, stuff that are going to be irrelevant. So that's really important. So let me show you an example of a post here. So what I'm doing here, I'm writing a post, right? This is an article, and I'm putting a video in here. See, this is a video, and this is the YouTube channel dedicated to this website. So it's really simple. I'm sending traffic from my website to the YouTube channel. I'm sending traffic from the YouTube channel to the website. Really simple. And if you don't know how to make videos, again, if you just watch my previous videos, I talk about that stuff all the time, and we go through the details of making videos, especially if you don't want to be in front of a camera inside Gold Masterclass. But you can pay other people to make videos for you, and it's not going to cost that much either. But just think about this. Imagine how much money you're going to make if you have a good video and a really good article. Imagine how much money you're going to make. You know, it just pays for everything that you've spent, like pays for the video that you make, if you're not recording the video yourself, pays for the website hosting, pays for the domain and all that stuff. It just makes you money, and it can make you money potentially forever, because the website is going to be up all the time. Again, this is a website that I built 4.5 years ago, and to this day it's making me commissions. How crazy is that? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and also leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Alright, so just to close this video, I'm going to talk about the Gold Masterclass. Now that's a program where I talk about all these strategies in detail, and you're going to actually see me building these things right in front of you. Now let me tell you something really important about affiliate marketing. And the thing about affiliate marketing and making money online as an affiliate is that there isn't just one strategy that is going to help you to make a lot of money. You know, every campaign, every product, every niche or category basically has a different type of strategy that needs to be applied in order to become successful with it. So you know, you need to figure out what strategy needs to be used based on the product that you choose. That's one of the biggest mistakes that people make. They think that there's just one strategy that can be used for every product that you want to promote. That's completely wrong. Okay, so in Gold Masterclass, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about all these strategies in detail. You're going to see them in action, but more importantly, you're going to see me actually building a campaign right in front of you. So you're going to see everything in action, click by click live. All right, so that's something definitely you should check out if you want to see all of these things, if you're going to learn all of these things in detail from an expert. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.